First things first, go to .net.microsoft.com and download the latest .net version. Here I have 8.0. Then head over to code.visualstudiocode.com and download the latest version of Visual Studio Code. Once you got that downloaded, go ahead and open up your Visual Studio Code software, head to the Extensions tab and download the C# Dev Kit. That's going to download everything you need to begin coding. Once you have those extensions downloaded and Visual Studio Code's up to date, .NET is downloaded, go ahead on your desktop, make a folder, at least for C#. I have a code folder that has multiple different things inside of it, but we're going to create a C# folder and then open it inside of Visual Studio Code. Click File, go to Open Folder. Once you have that open, we're going to do a greater than sign and we're going to create a new project. When we go to create new project, we should see, there it goes. It'll pop up with this here. And what we're going to do is create a console app. So click console app and then you can just name this whatever you want. I'm going to name it chapter 1 because we're going to be working out of chapter 1 for my book. I'm going to push enter, save it in the default directory and create it in the default directory. So now when I go to open chapter 1, you will see there's a program.cs and we have this console right line. I'm going to delete this comment up here and bring that up. And if you already have your hotkeys set up and whatnot, go ahead and hit function 5 or FN and F5. And I'm going to do C# and I'm going to launch that out of C# just to make sure my hello world line works. And there we have it, hello world.